Now we will do practical on the table. So in the practical, we will create a table with 2 columns and 2 rows. We will write the student roll number and name, and inside the table we will write details of 2 students. So let's begin. We have to write the table. We have to begin with the HTML. Then we have to write head. Then we have to write title. Then so to the topics table, so I have to write table, and then title close. Then we have to close the head over here. We have to write body bg color equal to, let's say, sign, it's name of the color. Text is equal to, let's say, blue, white. Okay, white. Now we have to write table, table. We will write border equal to, let's say we don't write the table first, just look at here. Then I will press one tab, tr. We have to begin with the first row. So inside the first row we have first cell, that is roll number. Then we have to close the td. In the second cell we have name, td close. Now we have finished with the first row, so you have to close the tr over here. Same thing, second row. So inside the second row, in the first cell we will write the student roll number, let's say 1 2 3 4. Then we have to close the td, and in the second cell of the second row you have to write the name of the student. Okay, since we are finished with the writing the roll number, now we have to write the name of this student. Let's say Tashi Sering. Like this. We have to close the table data or table cell. Now we have to close the second row. Same thing, we have to write the third row tr. We have to write the first cell of the third row tg. Now we have to write the roll number of the second student. Okay, 1 2 3, let's say 5. Okay, then we have to close the table data. Then we have to write the name of the second student, let's say Karma, let's say Ishe. Okay, like this. And then we have to close the tg. Then we have to close the tr. Since we are finished with the third row, now we have to close the table tag. Okay, table tag. Then we have to close the body. Then we have to close the html. Now we will save this file. Click on the file, then click on save. Okay, now I will save this file inside the HTML practical folder, and this HTML practical folder is located on the desktop of my computer. Okay, so we have to write the file name table1 dot, you have to write htm, then click on save. Okay, now I go back, and this is the folder where I save the table1.html file. Okay, look here, right click, open with we have to choose Google Chrome or the Mozilla Firefox, whatever you have, and look at here, and this is the table, but there is no borders. So we have to go back to the node page, and then inside the table we have to write border equal to 1. Okay, now I will change the color name, let's say blue. Then click on the save again, go back to our web page, and this is our web page. Click on the refresh button. Now look at here, and this is the our table. Now we have to increase the size of the table by mentioning its property width equal to, let's say, 80%. Okay, 80%. Now same thing, click on save, and then go back to our web page, and then click on refresh to see the result. Now look at here, the size of the table is increased. Now next we will mention the bg color equal to, let's say, green. Okay, so bg color means we will applying the background color to our table. The color name is green, so we have to click on the save again and go back to our web page, and then click on refresh. Now we will have the green as a background color of the table. Okay, now we will change the text color. Go back here, and let's say instead of the text color is equal to blue, I will write yellow. Then save, go back to our web page and refresh, and this is the result of the HTML code. Okay, this way you can do the practical on the HTML table. Thank you, have a good day.